Oh, you're going to learn today. So we're going to talk about how to import a course from a previous semester or just content in general from a different course into the course that you want it put into. So for instance, I need to put things in for my second semester courses. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on courses, and then I'm going to click on all courses. Because right now we need to go find the course that we're trying to pull things into, right? The blank course. And so for me, I need to do my second semester course. So on the right hand side, I see term. These are all my first semester classes. Okay, and then I can also see my second semester classes. So for me, I need to do my digital marketing. Okay, so I'm going to do, I found my digital marketing second semester. Click on that. Okay, and it's going to pull up my blank course. Okay, so right now I have nothing on it, right? So option one would be, oh, I can go ahead and just do all this from scratch, right? But I've already created the course. I had it first semester, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of that stuff right into it. So I'm on the blank course. I'm going to go on the left-hand side all the way down to settings. Okay, click on settings. This takes me to this fancy area. Okay, and I want to import course content. Okay, import course content. Content type, this is where it just depends on what you're trying to do, but the easiest, if you already have this on Canvas, copy a Canvas course. Okay, so I'm going to click on copy a Canvas course, and then this is where I select the course. So it's important that we know which course we are selecting, right? Because, right, semester 2, if I try to copy anything from semester 2, right, if it doesn't have anything in it, then it's going to just like pull nothing over. Okay, but from semester 1, I have my digital marketing course. So just verify that you're pulling the right course. You can click on that. Okay, and then you have two options. You can do all content or you can do specific content. Later on, this actually is super beneficial because if I have an assignment that I really liked in one of my business classes, I can like transfer it over to a different one, right? And I don't have to recreate anything. So it's just up to what you're trying to do. Usually the all content's the best option for the semester, right? I'm doing a new semester class, so all content makes sense. And then we have this option that says adjust events and due dates. I'm going to definitely click on that and remove due dates, right? Because if I keep the dates, they're going to be really screwed up because it's going to be from a previous semester. Okay, so I'm going to remove the dates. Theoretically, you could just change the beginning date and it would just shift everything that amount of weeks or months. But we all know how school goes and A, B days and whatnot. And so removing the dates is usually the easiest. And then you're going to click import. Okay, so then you'll see this running, and it should give you a progress bar. I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, there you go. So it'll give you a progress bar, and once it's done, it will pull all of your content from that course into the new one. So that's, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, you can go make edits and whatnot once you've imported your course content, but that's the easiest way to not have to reinvent the wheel. So hopefully that helped you out.